Hi, hello everyone. Very good evening, one and all. Welcome to the most comprehensive preparation platform for all competitive exams, BYJU'S Exam Prep. And warm welcome to this Nielit 2023 crash course. Dear students, today we will solve the top 10 questions of object-oriented programming. This will be very useful for every Nielit aspirant. So guys, join the session quickly and please confirm, am I visible and audible to you clearly or not? Hello Pallavi, good evening. Could everybody, whoever have joined the session, please confirm, am I visible and audible clearly or not? Please confirm in the chat box. So today we are going to solve the top 10 questions, 10 model questions of object oriented programming. In the Nielit kind of exams, dear friends, from C programming you can expect questions based on programs. But in the subject like object oriented programming, because there are many languages that supports object oriented programming, maybe Java, maybe C++, maybe Python, maybe Smalltalk, whatever. So we majorly expect theory oriented, concept oriented questions. Accordingly, I also have kept such questions so that you will get an idea what to prepare. And mostly we would be focusing the object oriented programming through C++ and Java because of the trending. Okay, so please keep that in mind while you are giving your answers. Before I start the session, let me introduce myself quickly. I am Satya, research scholar with 15 plus years of teaching experience. I have mentored more than 40,000 students all over India in the GATE and PSU segments. Myself qualified in GATE, UGC NET, SET, and also certified by Cisco into networking and programming. This is quick brief about me, dear friends. And if any GATE aspirant is here or you know any GATE aspirant, please share this information that the expert Abhinav Negi sir, who has pursued his MTech from IIT Delhi, who pursued 10 plus years of experience, is conducting a free GATE workshop exclusively on our BYJU'S Exam Prep app. I repeat, this workshop would be on our BYJU'S Exam Prep app. In this workshop, Abhinav sir would be sharing 7 golden rules. 7 golden rules to secure single digit rank in the GATE exam. And this workshop would be on 16th May, 7:30 p.m. So without fail, kindly register for this workshop if you are a GATE aspirant and attend this workshop. Okay, chalo. So guys, without wasting much of your time, here I am presenting the very first question. Which of the following OOP concept is not true for the C++ programming language? Options: a class must have member functions. C++ program can be easily written without the use of classes. At least one instance should be declared within the C++ program, and C++ program must contain at least one class. So guys, what would be your answer for this question? Soumya, Pallavi and everybody. If we take OOPS through C++, which of the given statements is not true? So please mind this. Okay. What would be your answer, dear friends? Quick. Sanju says option B. Okay, Sanju. Okay. What about others? Soumya, Pallavi and everybody else, what would be your answer for this question? Which OOPS concept is not true for the C++ programming language, or which of the below statements is not true? You can take in that way. Pallavi also says option B. Okay. Let's see what is the answer. The answer is option D. Option D is the right answer, because C++ program must contain at least one class. Do you want to say that is true? No. A CPP program can be written with the class, without the class. So it's a partially supported object oriented language. It's not fully supported, or it is not pure object oriented. We say it as a hybrid object oriented. Class is not must. Okay. So remember this. The question is asking not true. A class must have member functions. True. CPP program can be written without classes. True. At least one instance should be declared. True, because every member you can access through that instance, that is object. Okay. So the other options are being true. Option D would be false. Question number 2 on your screen. Which operator overloads using friend function? When I say friend function, you can understand it is also with respect to C++. So which operator overloads using friend function? The asterisk operator, parenthesis, forward arrow, or member access operator you can say, or assignment equal operator. So what would be your answer for this question number 2, dear friends? Quick. Which operator overloads using friend function? What would be your answer for the question number 2? Is it an asterisk operator, or parenthesis, or member access arrow operator, or assignment equal operator? Ravi Kumar says option C, forward arrow operator. Okay, it's not, it is not, dear friends, it is not extraction operator. Sanju, it's not greater than. Okay. All right. The answer is option A. When you try to overload any of the other operators, you will get a syntax error. Asterisk operator can be overloaded using friend function. Okay. The right answer is option A. So, guys, with these questions, the intention is what you have to understand. Okay, friend function is what you have to little brush up, right? Similarly, the features of C++ you have to little brush up, because from them the question is possible. So not only this question and answer you have to get this particular idea. Okay, from this concept a question can come. So you have to brush up this concept. Okay, you need not to go into details, because the Nielit exam, in 3 hours you have to give attempt to 120 questions, means definitely the questions difficulty level would be in that level. I can say easy to moderate, and I can say 70% of the questions you will find as easy only. So direct questions you can expect. So you need not to go into the details of any concept. So please try to brush up. Okay. Question number 3 on your screen. What is the implicit return type of constructor? Void, no return type, a class object in which it is defined, int means integer. So what would be the implicit return type of constructor? We all know or aware that a constructor will not have a return type, isn't it? So what would be your answer for this question? The implicit return type of constructor is what? Is it a void return type or no return type, or the return type is a class object or integer? Come on. Ravi Kumar, Sanju, Pallavi, Soumya and everybody else. Manishankar says option B. Ravi says option C. Pallavi option B. Right. Guys, constructors cannot have any explicit return type. Means explicitly you can't define any return type for the constructor, that is the rule. But by default, a constructor will have a implicit return type, that is a class object in which it is defined. It's a type of class. So the right answer is option C. Option C. Ravi Kumar, you are correct. Good. Okay. Chalo. Question number 4 on your screen. How can the concept of encapsulation be achieved in the program? Encapsulation. So please recall that encapsulation means what? Binding data and code together. Okay, right. So how the concept of encapsulation is achieved? साहू जरूर लाएंगे बेटा, जरूर लाएंगे. पूरा जून मंथ में मैराथन सी होगा, ठीक है, फिक्र मत लो, जरूर मैराथन्स होगा नीलिट के लिए, नीलिट एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए. मणिशंकर सेज ऑप्शन ए. संजू ऑप्शन ए. ओके, so by using the access specifiers, by using the concept of abstraction, by using only private members, by using the concept of inheritance. So how do you achieve concept encapsulation? Ravi says option B, Neha says option B. Okay, the right answer is option A, by using access specifiers. What are access specifiers, guys? Could you please mention in the chat box what are different access specifiers we have? Shyam, Sanju, Manishankar, Pallavi, Ravi. Exactly. Public, private, protected in C++. In Java, do we have any other access specifier? Any other additional access specifier in Java? Correct. Public, private, protected, they are definitely access specifiers. Does Java supports any additional access specifier? Yes. Default access specifier also we have. Right. Good. Good. So the right answer for this is option A. Encapsulation can be achieved by using access specifiers. Next question. Question number 5 on your screen. I believe the question is visible for everybody. Question is, which of the following statement of a program is not valid? Class X, S of 5, class X, yes, class X, XS, class X, yes. Like array of objects, you can say. You are trying to create instances, array of instances. So for that, which is the syntactic statement or which is not? Guys, I will give you one clue. That is, the syntax of class is almost same as the syntax of structure in C language. Of course, I know in class you can't define, in structures you can't define methods, functions, but in class, yes, you can. I know. But the structure, syntax definitions, structure definition syntax and class definition syntax would be similar, and creating variable for structure and creating instance for class would be similar. Questions not visible clearly. Do you mean to say the visibility of the font? You mean to increase the font size, Manishankar? If so, I will do it. Right now, I will do it. Now please check. Now please check. Now is it okay? Okay, right. So what is your answer, guys? What is your answer for this question? Which of the following statement is syntactically not valid? Manish says option B, Bandaru says option A. Okay. Let's see the answer. The right answer is option D. Option D. Guys, please understand, here I am having a class X. Right? I can create an object here. That is what option B is. Or I am creating a class and in the main method I can create an object like this. Please understand, object creation is this one. Just class name space object name. For the memory allocation purpose, we use a new keyword. I think you know that. Right? Okay. And in the place of just one object, can I create array of objects? Definitely yes, but it is definitely required to give the size, or I may create later also. So here size is must. That's why, as here size is not mentioned, option D is not valid. Not valid. Got the point? Good. So guys, see, on YouTube, our BYJU'S exam prep is bringing these many series For GATE 2024 aspirants, fundamental series is there. For Nielit aspirants, Nielit crash course is happening. For ISRO aspirants, ISRO series has started for electrical electronics. And for learning each and every simple concept quickly, we are giving a coffee with concept model classes. And also on every Sunday you will have a learn with fun session. So guys, these are all for your benefit. So try to utilize these free material, free classes productively. Okay. So just you can stay tuned to BYJU'S exam prep. You need not to go anywhere, search anywhere for the preparation purpose or practice purpose, because we are here to provide everything that you want. Right. Question number 6 on your screen. The name of the default access specifier for the member functions on or data members in C++ programming language is, I think this is a very easy question. I think everybody should give the correct answer for this question. What is the default access specifier? Private, public, protected, it depends, like it vary from compiler to compiler. Ravi says option B, Manish says option A. Okay. The name of the default access specifier in C++. What about others? Pallavi, Soumya, Neha, Shyam, Sanju, all the others? What would be your answer? Right. Guys, as it is clearly mentioned, C++, the default access specifier is private. Private. So the right answer is option A. Correct. Ravi, it's not public, dear, it's private. Okay. If I ask what is the default access specifier in Java? In Java programming language, what would be the default access specifier? Could you please tell? Default. In Java it is default, but when it comes to C++, it would be private. Okay, right. Question number 7 on your screen. Which among the following cannot be used for the concept of polymorphism? Guys, the questions are bounded to title, object oriented programming. Okay, and in the Nielit, I repeat the same analysis, guys. From C programming, you may expect questions giving a program asking what is the output, like from recursion, from arrays, from pointers, from structures, or from preprocessor directives. You may expect. But when it comes to Nielit, the other object oriented programming languages, as there are many languages, mostly I believe the questions could be around concept, theory oriented questions you may get. Okay. Which among the following can't be used for the concept of polymorphism? Options: static member function, constructor overloading, member function overloading, global member function. Manish says 2 means option B, constructors can't be overloaded. No. It's a static member function. A static member function you can't. I think it should be static, no? Polymorphism. Sorry, yeah. I think it should be static. What do you say? For polymorphism. Is global function can be okay. Yeah, hopefully yes. I think I doubt. Did I forgot to update this? I think this should be A, guys. I don't think it is global member function. It should be A. I believe so. I believe I forgot to update the answer. Okay, question number 8. What is the cout in C++ programming? Like printf, scanf, we use C and cout, no? What that cout is? Is it a class or an object or a function or an operator? What is the cout? Is it a class or object or function or operator? Undoubtedly, cout is C in cout are what? Objects. Like this, straight questions you can expect. Straight questions definitely you can expect. Okay. Right. Which language does not follow the concept of OOP among these? Yeah, intentionally I have kept this question, dear friends, because you are supposed to learn the list of languages that does not support. Definitely you might know C language is not object oriented. I think everybody know. But in this, which is not supporting or which does not follow the object oriented programming concept? Fortran, Ruby, Jade, Scala. Yes, it is Fortran. Algol, C, they don't follow object oriented concept. Hi Sahil, after many days, how are you? Right, the last question. So the right answer for this is option A. Last question. How many types of abstractions are there in object oriented programming language? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many types of abstractions? Yes, please. Two types. Mani says two types. Mani, could you mention what are they? I am not asking types of polymorphism. Compile time, runtime, no. Types of abstractions. Guys, there are 4 types of abstractions. How many? 4 types. Do you know what are they? Entity abstraction, virtual machine abstraction, action abstraction, coincidental abstraction. Okay, let me write. There are 4 types of abstraction. They are entity abstraction, virtual machine abstraction, coincidental abstraction, action abstraction. Yeah, at least you know, okay, there are 4 types. But all types of abstractions are not supported by all the languages. But the question is very clear, total how many types of abstractions are there that can be implemented in UPSC means 4 types. Process abstraction is a part of these 4. I mean, you can implement process abstraction in action or in VM. So it's a inclusive of these 4. Okay, we will solve the top 10 questions of operating systems on Wednesday, that is May 17th, sharp 7 p.m. And guys, as you are a Nielit aspirant, I am sure you would be looking for practice questions. So guys, I am starting a new series from today itself, that is the Abhyas series on our BYJU'S exam prep app. Just after this, like 8 p.m, I am taking practice sessions. Okay, complete practice sessions. In every session, I would share 10 questions, and from every subject, I will give 40 most important questions, 40. In that way, I will cover 5 subjects: programming, UPSC, data structures, computer networks, and operating systems. Okay, so total 200 most important questions, 40 questions from every subject I will give. Along with me, other faculty also will join and make you practice of other subjects. Okay, but meanwhile, I am starting this series from today, and today I would be giving the tips for this 40 days preparation. So how an NIC aspirant can turn into NIC scientist in 40 days. So attend this without fail. I would be giving what to do in this 40 days. Okay, just that would be maybe 20-25 minutes session. It would be useful, I believe. Sahil, that's what I will be taking these subjects. The other subjects would be taken by other faculty. Okay guys, so if you have not downloaded our BYJU'S exam prep app, quickly download, and these are complete free classes I am taking under Abhyas series. You would get these classes regularly. 5 days a week you will get. So total 200 questions I would be making you practice in the Abhyas series of 5 subjects. Okay. That's all for today. These are my Telegram and Instagram group links. So to connect with me, you may join if you have not joined yet. Thank you so much for joining the session and being part of the session completely. Please do like, share and subscribe to our BYJU'S exam prep YouTube channel and enable the notifications. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next session. That is on app. I would be waiting for you 8 p.m. Thank you. Bye-bye. No issue money. After the paid class, you can watch it. Anytime you can watch that free class. Okay? Money. Try to watch the recorded. No issue. Ultimately, you will get 200 questions. Okay? Fine. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.